In this video, let's learn about customer schedule and how do we create it. So this slide consists of the details which you are going to enter it on our customer schedule. So these details are of a customer which are going to give as a Green Ride Cycles Private Limited, and so the item that's of bicycle which I have picked up, the firm quantity and the price which will be entering it on our customer schedule. So in order to create it, let's move on to our login page. Entering a username and password. Now click on login. Now click on sales. At transaction, navigate your sale order where your customer schedule also falls at. So customer schedule is a structured plan provided by the customer indicating periodic demand or delivery requirements for specific products over a defined time frame. It helps the company plan production, inventory and dispatches efficiently to meet your customer demand on time. So this is a page of your customer schedule where it consists of your sale order as well. So in order to create or you can search the document as per filtration by giving search by your header wise or line wise. So it holds up two icons, which is of direct creation and which is of pending. So now we'll be giving it of direct creation. For the click on this add icon. So here it holds of your customer schedule. After clicking customer schedule, you will be given up with your location ID, unit, and so your customer schedule date, and then the batch prefix. So now enter the narration. So the narration I'm giving it as customer schedule. Now click on save. That's a tick icon. After giving save, this document will be getting viewed up. In addition, you will be having the batch number which will get generated automatically. And so the status, still the document is on process, it's of draft. When it's been forwarded, status will be changed to entry completed, and when being approved by the approver will be transformed to your approved status. So now by clicking on this add icon, let's add up the item. So enter the customer, bits of Green Ride Cycles, and so the item bicycle. So the UM which I have given is of number, and then we have a schedule type, so which defines how reliable or confirmed a customer's demand or delivery schedule is, whether it's a confirmed order or a forecast that may change, that's of tentative. So it consists of firm, the customer has confirmed the delivery quantities and dates. So these are final and binding for production, procurement and delivery that should be planned accordingly. When it's of your tentative, the customer provides a forecast or a provisional plan for future requirements, and it indicates an expected demand, not a confirmed order. And then we'll placing it up your firm as well as your tentative. So as of now, we'll be keeping it as firm. Now enter the firm quantity, that's of 5. So since the type is of the tentative will be getting disabled over here, which can't be enabled, and the price I'm giving it as 7,200 as discussed previously. And then you have your MRP price, and so the discount amount, tolerance percentage. Then you have your start date where I'm giving it as 7, and so the end date I'm giving it as 10, so that the number of buckets will be calculating here as 4. So here the bucket refers to the time divisions or your time periods that's been used for planning, forecasting and scheduling your customer demands, production or materials. So since we have given a firm period, we do not want to enter up our tentative period. When you change the type, we can give it up over there. And then you will be entering your HSN code. So here HSN is your harmonized system nomenclature, which been used for goods. Then it consists of the tax percentage that's been applicable on the item based of your HSN or SAC, that service accounting type. Then it holds up your IGST amount, that's integrated GST, applicable on interstate sales. Then comes your CGST, that's been applicable on intrastate sales collected by the central government. Then it's of your SGST, that state GST applicable on intrastate sales collected by the state government. And have your UT GST, that's Union Territory GST applicable on intrastate sales in Union Territories. Now let's click on save. So after giving save, the following details will be getting enabled. So here we consist of your document number and consist of your document revision, holds up your location details. When you click on the location detail, it consists of your address of ship to, bill to, and then your ship from and bill from addresses. When you click on this detail icon, so document details consist of your price class, and so your price details and details. When it's of your action, this bin holds up the delete or cancel icon. When you do not want this line item, you can just give on this delete so that the line will get deleted. And then you have your generate icon. When you click on this generate, a schedule will be getting created. And so when you click on this schedule icon, a schedule will be displayed up. Here we have your schedule quantity and so invoiced quantity of it. So those are scheduled. And now let's click on generate schedule. So that schedules will be getting generated. After giving generate schedule, click on post. So the document will be moved forward to our supervisor Kaushik for reviewer. Click on OK. Now let's log in as our supervisor. Now click on login. So this is a login page of our supervisor. Here you have the bell icon. After clicking on the bell icon, click on approvals. So here the document falls at waiting for the review. Click on this detail icon. So you will be having a review of this document. So the schedule has been generated up. So after having a review, let's click on approve for the document to get approved by our approver. So let's forward the document. For that, click on OK. Now we are going to log in as our manager. Now click on login. So there's a login page of our purchase manager. Click on this bell icon, go to approvals, click on detail icon. So this is a document waiting for the action to take up in order to approve. Before approval, the status will be of entry completed. After giving approve, the status will be changed to approved. So now let's click on approve. In order to approve, click on OK. So the document has been approved. Let's check the status at our user login. And so let's search the document by giving it customer schedule number. Now click on search. And so now the status has been changed from entry completed to approved after the approval from our purchase manager. Now let's click on workflow log. So this workflow log consists of your accountability, traceability, so where the document flows at and who has been approved and who has been forwarded. So it consists of the entire history of it. And when you click on this print icon, a report has been generated. So this is a report of a customer schedule which holds up your firm quantity. So since we have given the type of firm quantity, the total has been given up. And so we have disabled the tentative quantity has been disabled here. So this is how you will be generating a report of our customer schedule. And now this is a creation of our customer schedule. Thank you for watching.